Credit is your payment history, along with how much debt you have, how long you've had the debt, and whether you pay your debt on time. Credit's been around since we've been in caveman days. Technically, it hasn't been an industry since the 1800s, so about 200 years. In fact, it was a suit maker in London that started keeping track of the clients that ordered suits from him. He kept track of who paid him on time, who paid in full, who paid early, who didn't pay, and who paid late. And he started keeping a ledger. One day, I imagine he's after work making suits. He's sitting in the tavern talking to the blacksmith. Next thing you know, he's selling that list to the blacksmith, to the carpenter, to the grocer, to whoever will buy the list. And that was our first evidence of a credit reporting agency. Now we call them credit bureaus. Why do we call them bureaus? Because the credit reporting agencies, which are really just marketing agencies, they wanted to change their name to sound scary, like a federal bureau of investigation, the FBI. But really, the credit bureaus, they're just private companies that gather our data and sell it to banks, collection companies, advertising companies. That's what your credit is. It is a report based on how you handle your finances. Whether it's good or bad, that's what it is.